Hello, students. It's cold outside. Right now, it is -5 Fahrenheit, which is about -20.5 Celsius. Earlier, it was -7 Fahrenheit, and that's around 22 to 23 minus in Celsius. I'm not sure. But anyway, it is cold outside. But before I go any further, I want to welcome everyone to our class today. Yes, our class is outdoors. Yes, it's very cold. Yes, teacher is cold. But it's wonderful. No, this is not a virtual background. Watch what teacher does. You see, I'm outside in the cold teaching class today. And I've got the most amazing students that a teacher could hope for. If you're new to the class, welcome. Please enjoy. Oh, you can hear the birds are even out. It's a beautiful day. It's just very cold. It's cold outside. It is so cold. It is so cold. Anyway, the birds are chirping in today. This is our creek, which is covered with snow. Snow, S-N-O-W. Creek, C-R-E-E-K. I'm Teacher Dale. I am wearing gloves, G-L-O-V-E-S. I have a cap, C-A-P. I'm wearing sunglasses, S-U-N-G-L-A-S-S-E-S, sunglasses. I have a coat, C-O-A-T. I'm wearing a sweater, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, and I have a shirt, S-H-I-R-T. So anyway, today it's very cold. It is so cold. Teacher's very cold. I ate a warm bowl of soup before I came out to film this class, and I'm going back in when I'm done. So I'm not going to stay out very long. I know you don't want teacher to get sick, S-I-C-K, but it is beautiful. The sun is shining. We are here in Colorado. Let's see here, 6,000 feet roughly, maybe over 2,000 meters or around 2,000 meters. I'm not, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, to give you an idea how high we are up from the level of the sea. We call that sea level. But I want you to see the grass, G-R-A-S-S. I want you to see the trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. And we've already played in the snow, S-N-O-W, and we call this grass here, we call that native grass. It is native to this area, and it is grass that grows naturally, and it doesn't need as much water. Okay, there is normal noises right now because we're outside. We've had birds, we have people shoveling snow, we have the sunshine, and we had an airplane come by earlier. So we have many, many things going on right now, and we are outside. So we're not in our normal classroom. We are on a virtual field trip. We took a virtual field trip to the creek near my home, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you would, before I forget, please give the video a like if you like it. Please let us know. Please let us. We are a class. When you subscribe, you become a member of the class and you can post your comments. And please remember the vocabulary words. How many of the vocabulary words can you remember from today's lesson? Also, please write them in sentences. This will help you practice your English. Now, a question's been asked. This is a basic English class. I will have an advanced conversation class later this year. Think of this class as the foundation of a house. When we build the foundation, that's the foundation, that's how we're going to do, so that the class is strong. And that's what we're going to do. Also, you can do presentations. Any student can contact me and ask to do a presentation. I have a Zoom and we can put you on camera and you can do your presentation in English. Or you can watch someone doing their presentation. Now, oh, we have a dog coming. Here's a dog over here. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that, oh, he's barking at me. Oh, hey. Anyway, because we're outside, this is natural. I love it. This is great. This is showing you what it's really like when you're outside teaching. So anyway, please subscribe to the channel. That makes you a member of our class. Our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I think the last count we're at 22. So we have a little ways to go. But we're able to provide free English lessons to students all around the world. Right now, I have students who have already subscribed from 5 continents. We haven't had anyone yet from Australia. We haven't had anyone yet from Antarctica. If you're a scientist in Antarctica and you would like to do a presentation to the class, please let me know. My email, dale@dalesnavely.com. I would appreciate it. The class would appreciate it. If you're a volunteer and you do work in your community or you're involved in a project, would you let us know and do a presentation for the class? Right now we're small, but our class grows every day. We get new subscribers almost daily. And spread the word. Please share the video and let people know about our class. I don't have a timer right now, so I'm not sure how we are on time. But anyway, I just wanted you to take a look. And we're going to take a quick look as we say goodbye. I want you to see just how beautiful it is here. All right. Anyway, if there's any questions, please leave them in the comments. I look forward to, I appreciate every one of my students. I'll see you next class. Goodbye.